Impressive advanced drones with specific capabilities that are used by elite military units to perform special operations during the day or at night, such as surveillance or reconnaissance missions in different types of environments. These are the 10 most advanced Special Forces military drones in the world. Number 10. Diodon SP-20. It is a versatile and resistant drone that is designed to perform observation missions on land or water. Its inflatable structure allows it to operate in different environments such as the sea, the jungle, or the desert. It measures 55 centimeters in length by 19 centimeters in height and weighs less than 2 kilograms. It can be deployed in less than 1 minute and is ready for easy repair. It can reach a maximum speed of 60 kilometers per hour and has a range of more than 23 minutes. It can resist wind up to 46 kilometers per hour and has a transmission distance of 2 kilometers. Number 9. Pegasus 2. It is a multifunctional and stealthy drone that is designed to carry out intelligence, surveillance, or reconnaissance missions. It is small enough to be carried and operated by one person. It is equipped with an artificial intelligence system that allows it to perform autonomous operations in both air and ground modes and can even avoid obstacles. It weighs 6.8 kilograms and has a flight autonomy of 20 minutes or 4 hours in ground mode. It can carry a 4-kilo load and stores collected data for further processing, including videos, 3D maps, and location information. 8. Arion Skyranger. It is a reliable and versatile drone that is designed for tough missions. It can be used to perform different types of missions such as surveillance, patrol, or search and rescue. It has recharging kits that allow its batteries to be recharged during long missions in remote places. It measures 102 centimeters in length by 24 centimeters in height and weighs 2.4 kilograms. It can transmit thermal images and work autonomously. It can reach a speed of 50 kilometers per hour and fly at an altitude of 4,500 meters. It can resist wind up to 90 kilometers per hour and has a transmission distance of 5 kilometers. Number 7. Vapor 35. It is a high-performance drone that is designed for the most demanding missions. Its control system allows it to plan and simulate flights and can be configured to execute missions automatically. It measures 2 meters long by 50 centimeters high, weighs 24 kilograms, and has a range of 60 minutes. It can fly with great precision and deliver objects weighing up to 4.5 kilograms. It can reach a speed of 50 kilometers per hour and fly at an altitude of 3,600 meters. It can resist wind up to 37 kilometers per hour and has a transmission distance of 8 kilometers. Number 6. Anduril Ghost 4. It is a robust and resistant drone that is designed for expeditionary missions. Its single-rotor design allows for precise vertical takeoff and landing in tight spaces. It can be easily transported and unfolded in less than 3 minutes. It measures 2.7 meters long by 40 centimeters high and weighs 16 kilograms. It can fly at an altitude of 3,600 meters and has a range of 60 minutes or 100 kilometers. It is waterproof and weatherproof and can fly safely in different kinds of environment. It has artificial intelligence and can perform autonomous group flights for surveillance or reconnaissance missions. Number 5. Golden Eagle. It is an agile and silent drone that is designed to be used in a variety of situations. It has an encrypted communication system and artificial intelligence systems. It can avoid obstacles and provide thermal imaging. It measures 40 centimeters in length by 15 centimeters in height and weighs 1 kilo. It can be used in reconnaissance or surveillance missions both during the day and at night. It reaches a maximum speed of 80 kilometers per hour and has a range of up to 50 minutes. It can resist wind up to 48 kilometers per hour and has a transmission distance of 3 kilometers. Number 4. Black Hornet PRS. It is a very light and silent drone that is designed to carry out covert operations with the greatest security. This airborne personnel reconnaissance system for foot soldiers transmits high-resolution images to the operator, allows the soldier to have immediate and hidden situational awareness. It can perform flights automatically and detect without being detected. It measures 16 centimeters in length and weighs 33 grams. It can reach a speed of 21 kilometers per hour and has a range of up to 25 minutes. It can resist wind up to 37 kilometers per hour and has a transmission distance of 2 kilometers. Number 3. Sky Hero Loki. It is a small and rugged drone that is designed to perform tactical scouting missions indoors. It allows you to know a situation quickly and reliably to make precise decisions. It is equipped with a night vision camera and an advanced positioning system. It measures 24 centimeters in length by 9 centimeters in height and weighs 380 grams. Its reinforced structure is resistant to impact and has an autonomy of 15 minutes. You can place a camera and microphone anywhere to collect information. This drone has been used by over 1,000 tactical teams worldwide to perform a wide range of missions. Number 2. Ion M640X. It is a multifunctional tactical drone that is designed to operate in harsh conditions, even in windy or rainy weather. It has night and thermal vision and can fly autonomously during the day or at night. It measures 56 centimeters in length and weighs 1.8 kilograms. It has an intelligent object tracking system which allows you to track and follow while keeping a safe distance. It is equipped with a laser illuminator that is only visible with night vision goggles and allows remote identification of objects of interest. It reaches a speed of 37 kilometers per hour and has a range of 35 minutes. Number 1. Skydio X2. It is a rugged and portable drone that is designed to work quickly and safely during the day or night. It can be used in reconnaissance, patrol, or rapid response missions. It measures 66 centimeters in length by 21 centimeters in height and weighs 1.3 kilograms. It is equipped with strobe lighting, night and thermal vision, and artificial intelligence. It can work autonomously and scan complex structures such as buildings. Its structure is highly resistant and has a range of 35 minutes. It can avoid obstacles even in difficult situations and has a transmission distance of up to 10 kilometers. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment saying what topic you would like to see a new video on. If you liked this video, please leave your like and share it.